Hello guys, ito pala yung time na pumunta kami sa El Nido and pinuntahan namin yung 7th Commando Beach sa El Nido, Palawan. Even though maulan that time at super maalon, since the rain won't stop, pumunta pa din kami, gora lang kami. At yung mga kasabayan pala namin guys were mostly foreigners, kaya alam niyo na, so mahilig sa mga kano dyan, baka nandito yung forever nyo. Yung kasabayan pala namin na pump boat, nalunod sila, buti na lang safe sila lahat. Kaya lesson learned, pag pumunta kayo dito, piliin nyo na yung malaking pump boat. Yung napili namin is yung premium. Kaya safe yung pagpunta namin at saka hindi siya masyadong ganun kaalon. At saka mas okay na din yung malaki for safety purposes para safe kayo lahat. At ayun na nga, nakarating kami na safe at sobrang ganda talaga. Parang secret paradise. Yung crystal clear water, yung fine and yung white sand, tsaka ang daming coconut trees, parang postcard sa totoong buhay. Now, here's the story behind the name Y7 Commando. So, ayon sa mga locals, yung kwento nila, during World War II, may grupo na 7 sundalo. Ang tawag doon is 7 Commandos na stranded daw dito. They were part of the resistance hiding from Japanese forces. So this beach became their temporary base while they waited for rescue. At dahil sa kwento ng bravery nila, locals named the beach after them bilang tribute. So sobrang worth it talaga ng buong experience na yon. 7th Commando Beach is not just beautiful, it's meaningful. So highly recommended namin talaga. Lalo na kung trip mo yung may kwento behind the views. Kaya ito yung bird's eye view niya. Sobrang ganda talaga. Hanggang sa muli. Bye! Enjoy the view!